have the power to regulate competition or unfair business practices. And that type of regulation can be used.
Dollar severance package from Facebook to avoid signing a non-disclosure agreement about their experience. Chang says the problem was not that they didn't get the information.
I fought for Honduras and Azerbaijan because that's where I saw the most ongoing harm.
Well, we thought it was worth looking at the Azerbaijan story in more detail. An oil-rich economy had...
And still with Facebook not coming up with a better system, with a better response mechanism, with a better protection mechanism, is really...
Music there by the popular Ethiopian musician Hachalu Hundessa. Once a dissident nationalist figure for the ethnic Oromo in Ethiopia, this singer had been playing more the role of peacemaker.
And other government officials.
So the responsibility lies overwhelmingly then, you would think, on Facebook itself to put a lid on something.
Yes, what we've seen from Facebook is one, the lack of response on this issue.
Equivalent to approximately 80 million times worldwide, and in terms of GDP, this is equivalent to a loss of around $2,400 billion.
And that's in less than 10 years' time.
Exactly.
And who is the most vulnerable to heat stress? Which are the countries that are going to be hardest hit by extreme heat?
The most affected regions are found to be Southern Africa and Western Africa, where approximately 5% of the working hours are expected to be lost in 2030.
There's a climate camp taking place, and for the past 5 days, young people and students have gathered here listening to talks about environmental activism and climate change. And one of the big issues here is the cruise ships. There are flags flying from no big ships for Venice.
My name is Sofia Demasi, and I'm an activist from No Grandi Navi in Venice. Big cruise ship create a lot of pollution, a lot of problem of a city that should be of the climate crisis, but of the fight against the climate crisis.
Built on a muddy lagoon hundreds of years ago, Venice is famously sinking. Tommaso Cacciari, who leads the No Big Ships Committee,
Says tackling climate change involves weaning the world off its dependence on polluting fossil fuels like oil. And the transition to that kind of zero carbon future will have profound implications